Okay, so this is a printhead holders. You can adjust the size of the stick by unscrew the clip. Okay. So make sure the cap that don't have the surface. Okay, and make it tight, so it won't move around. Okay. Now we put the cleaning liquid into the case. Pay attention to the lever, do not cross the edge so the liquid won't flow away. Okay. So case. Let's take a look at the filter here. This machine has two directions to clean the printhead. Firstly, we just draw in from the surface to the connector this way. So to draw the block material back. So you see there's a error mark here. So now we draw the liquid from here, and it's liquid this circle. So we turn this filter on, this is on, and another one must be closed. If it's closed, if it's on, if it's closed. Close it. So power on, and choose sucking liquid on the surface, this minus. And we adjust the pressure. So you can see the liquid is sucking from the surface. Okay, and it goes here and back to the case. Okay. This just run it for a couple of hours. We can set time here, run time, stop time, and circulation. Okay. After we finish the second liquid, we can change the direction. Firstly, we close the filter with this one. Also, turn on this one. Okay. Now we turn to plus. It's pushing liquid. And then we adjust pressure. You can see the liquid is coming. Here it's coming. Okay.